hi Kalaminians, we're all the way here in the now, and if you're going for a long drive, normally you look for a good place to eat. Luckily here in the now they have MOJO's Bistro and Cafe, so let's check out what's in store for us here. Come on. Good evening, Kalaminians. I'm here with Miss Bonette, the owner of MOJO's Bistro and Cafe. Miss Bonette, tell us about your place.
MOJO Bistro Cafe started 4 years ago. We will be celebrating our 5th this coming September 4. Ang nakanais sa MOJO, siguro na kang park and then lingkod na ka sa table, and like sa ibang lugar na you have to park far away, then nakaw ka. So, gutom na yun, then park and then eat. And our service here is semi-fine dining. Semi-fine dining, but yet you will pay, cost of food is just like fast food. And on weekends, kung gusto mo, just like us, kanahan may maminaw, mga acoustic kitchen, among yan. So, ang first set, mga 80s, 90s, and then mga all-time favorite songs. And then ang second set, mga bago na, mga Bruno Mars, mga pang-bagets na.
So please invite them to MOJO's Bistro and Cafe.
Once again, I would like to invite ninyo to drop by here at MOJO Bistro Cafe, especially those travelers going to north. Kung gutom na, may traffic pa doon sa syudad, then better drop by here at MOJO Bistro Cafe beside Shell gas station, and then I'm sure sulit yun inyong pag-stop over kay mabusogod mo, and then barato lang.